Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome to Study with Nova. Halo alamal ikat Nova and welcome to Study with Nova. So today in the chapter 10. And then in the question 13, users dictionaries questions, I want to show the question first. The remember me the pay example. So the remember me the pay is in this book. The remember me the pay example only store one pieces of informations. The username we consist that we have like what the meaning like only pieces of information that just only to save the username. So the question is expand this example by asking for two more pieces of information about the users. So not only the username but another two informations. Then store all the information you collect in a dictionary. So this is must be in dictionary, not a list or that in the another's. Write this dictionary to a file using json.dumps and read it back in using json.loads and then print a summary showing exactly what your program remember about the user. So you got it, the questions, how we solve these questions. Let's try. The first one is all exactly same that we must like add the module first from the path lib here, import path here, and then import JSON here, and then after that we must make this is our function get sort user information into the path. Where's the path? And then if path is exists here, and then path dot read text example. Here path read text, and then this is our username is this one to loads from the content, and then return to username, right? Else return to none. And then after that we must make another function here that get sort user info here, and then path here, and then user name is dot wait contents. Why it is wrong? Wait, yeah. I think I'm wrong. Wait. I have like a get store users information, right? And another path it gets new users. User info here, and then here path. And then this is yes username input your username, not your name. It's different. Okay, then what is email? Maybe that's for the input here. And then what is your email here? And the last one is password. Is input. What is your password here? Okay, that's all. Then the first is like we make a dictionary. What is dictionary? That's the information is not consist of like one or two information, but it's so much thing to do. And using dictionary is like using like this bracket like this. This is we must using the dictionary. Okay, what's the information we want to save here? It's like username here, and then second one email here as email, right? And then the third one is password here as a password here. Okay, done. Okay, that's our dictionary. And then this one is we mix contents here. We mix variables and we write here. And then user dictionary to read to write, I'm sorry, to write, because this is done. And then path, and then write text here, path that read text is the content, right? Because we want to writing. And then return back to the here user dictionary here. And then our last function, that is read user informations. That's our the last functions. We have like a path. This is our path. This is our where's we want to save our information to the JSON, right? And then we user info the JSON here, and then user from the user's dictionary. Okay, is like from get a store user info, get store user info here from the content, right? From the path. And then if user dictionary, wait a minute, here is right, and then F, welcome back. This is like same, welcome back here, user dictionary, and here like your username is and then print F, and then this is email here, and then user dictionary, and then here email, and wait a minute, 2. And then the last one is, oh my god, wrong. Okay, print here F, this your password from the user dictionary here, user what password. Okay, then the last one else, and then here get new user info, and then print here from the user dictionary for the username. Okay. Here, and then we just calling here. Let's try, is it working or not? Nay. So here this is error, right? Let's try again. Here. So here, because the path is not wrong. Axis must be in S. Let's try again. And it's working. Okay, what is your name? I will like my name here. What is your email? And then my email here. My password. And then yep, we have like new user info.json here, because here we are writing here user info.json. Yep, because we have like here, if we calling again, we get welcome back, and then this is your email, and then this is your password. So it's quite nice to know, because this is just like to create user, because we know that our path is user.in. Here it's the same here, path, we using like a path here, path, and then here where's here path. If you want to make a title, is it working properly or not? I don't know. Let's try again. Title, it is working properly or not? Let's calling it. No, it's not calling properly. It's not attribute title. I think it's wrong. I don't know how to make it in title. It's okay. I think it is like this. So that's these questions about how to make it in the dictionary, not just only the username, just only make a once information about the username that is on here. It's only one. Here we got a lot of informations, that three, that username, email, and the passwords. So it's quite interesting. So I wanna return that this is the function is just to make how to get the information to just read text. Second one is to writing. This is the part is to input, right? We get the input, we get to must be right. That's why here dumps and then write text. The third one is if we have like there are informations here, because we got the path here, the user JSONs, we get here, right? Oh my god. Okay, my home is like, I don't know, it's like something different, because in Netherlands it's too many wind. Horror. Okay, here we will remember you there something, if not have the user's directory. That's why we got from the information Okay, I think it is quite interesting and quite good questions. Let's try another question, but somehow don't forget to add get this status here of your Python add a dictionary, and then you get this my orange. Okay, let's try another questions. Bye.